Welcome to this special Chinese New Year celebration. Today, we're going to introduce you to 5 traditional Chinese New Year dishes.
春卷，春卷，
Spring rolls. These crispy delights are filled with vegetables and sometimes meat. They symbolize wealth because their shape resembles gold bars.
汤圆，汤圆，
These soft, glutinous rice balls are often filled with sweet sesame or peanut paste. Tangyuan is eaten during the Lantern Festival, which marks the end of the New Year celebrations.
年糕，年糕，
This sticky rice cake is made from glutinous rice flour and sugar. It's a symbol of progress and improvement because the Chinese word sounds like getting higher year by year.
红烧肉，红烧肉，
Or braised pork. This succulent pork belly is cooked slowly in a rich, sweet sauce. The color red in Chinese culture represents good fortune and happiness, making this dish a perfect centerpiece for the New Year feast.
饺子，饺子，
Or dumplings. These are a staple during the New Year, especially in northern China. Dumplings are shaped like ancient Chinese gold ingots and symbolize wealth. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to traditional Chinese New Year dishes. Happy Chinese New Year! By the way, if you are interested in having your kid learn Chinese online, sign up for a free trial class by leaving a comment below, and we will contact you as soon as possible.